Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the lock body and power source. This matters because pin alignment and reliable power prevent misreads. First, remove the existing trim and mark screw holes, then test fit the biometric module to the door thickness. Once done, route the sensor cable through the latch cavity and secure a temporary 9V or battery pack. Make sure to label each conductor, ground, V+ data, so you avoid reversing polarity, which could permanently damage the fingerprint reader. Now you install and connect the electronics because proper soldering and firmware avoid failures. Position the sensor and route the cable into the controller box, then solder V+, GND, and TX/RX lines, shrinking each joint. Next, connect the controller to the solenoid or motorized deadbolt actuator and simulate lock/unlock commands. Once done, power the unit briefly and enter enrollment. You should wait for steady LED confirmation. If blinking irregularly, recheck ground and serial wiring, then reflash firmware where necessary. Finish by securing mechanical parts and validating every function, because final adjustment prevents future lockouts. Reassemble the exterior plate and tighten screws evenly so the sensor isn't warped. Then enroll at least 2-3 fingerprints per user and run 20 test cycles, checking speed and repeatability. If failures occur, first measure supply voltage under load. Voltage sag is the most common culprit. Then clean the sensor. Review serial logs for framing errors, and adjust debounce or timeout settings before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.